Samsung phone, how to block calls. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can block calls on Samsung, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you receive annoying calls, what you can actually do is you can choose to block a certain person, which means that you can only block a certain person so that you will not receive calls from that person, which in this case, let me just select a random number over here. So I'll just go ahead and select any of these options here. Once I do this, let's say I want to block them, I can tap the three dots option from the bottom and then just choose to block them if I like. But if I want to block calls overall, which means I don't want to receive phone calls at all, the only way I can do that is to turn on flight mode. So you can turn on flight mode and you can still use Wi-Fi while you're on your flight mode. When you turn on flight mode, your SIM cards are going to get inactive, and as a result, you will be able to access all of the calls and you will not receive any sort of calls on your Samsung phone unless you disable flight mode. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.